How to edit faces on the FaceApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily edit faces on the FaceApp. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your FaceApp and open any picture you want to edit. So the first thing you can do is change impressions. But as you can see, most of these features here are for the Pro version. So once you do that, you can click on Apply. And then once you do that, here on screen, you can add freckles and you can choose the amount you want to add. So just click on Apply. Now you can change your smile. So just if you click on Classic and click on Apply, as you can see, the face has been manipulated a lot. So you can also change the face size like this. Now, once you are happy with all of your edits, you can also have an option to change your hairstyles. For example, if I click on long, it will change the hairstyle to long. Click on Apply. And here you can also apply some makeup. Then you also have an option to add glasses like this. You click on Apply. And once you are done, you can just click on Save, and then you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.